In a world filled with beauty and wonder, three young souls found each other amidst the dancing colors of nature. Mia, the adventurous spirit; Lily, the gentle-hearted artist; Ava, the thoughtful dreamer. They shared their stories, dreams, and secrets. But when the storm of life tested their bonds, their friendship emerged stronger than ever, like a beacon of hope. Through laughter and tears, they stood by each other. And as they faced the horizon of tomorrow, they knew that together, they could conquer anything. Discover the power of friendship in ethereal bonds. Coming soon.
First of all, we need a script for our video. To create the script, I am going to use ChatGPT. Write this prompt in the input box. You can adjust the storyline to fit your narrative. Once the script is complete, go to Google and search for PXverse. Click on the link and then select Get Started Web. After this, it will prompt you to log in. One thing to note is that when logging in with your Discord account in response to the prompt, it will yield 4 results, but the web server will only display 1. I'm going to log in with Google. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to a dashboard where you can view other creators' artwork. Click on Create to proceed. It gives you 2 options. You can generate a video by using images or by using text. In this video, I am going to use the text-to-video option. For the prompts, head back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to suggest prompts for image generation for the above script. After this, copy the first prompt and paste it in the prompt box. In the negative prompt box, you can write what you don't want to see in your video. I don't want to see extra body parts or double faces, so I am going to write this prompt in the negative prompt box. Then select a style. I am going to select the anime style for my video. Then select the aspect ratio. As I am creating a video for YouTube, I am going to select the 16:9 option. Hit Create. In a few seconds, it will generate your video. When it is done, click on it. You can upscale it. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can also retry it. You can test as much as you want, as it is completely free. Click on Download. Repeat this process for other prompts.
Now for the voiceover. Again, go back to ChatGPT and ask to add a narrator voice for the above script. Copy it and go to 11 Labs. Select the voiceover for your script. After a lot of research, I like Matilda voice for my script. Click on Add Voice Lab in the text box, paste your script. Click on Generate. When it is done, click on Download.
For editing, you can use any software you like. I am going to use Clipchamp. Import your media here and add it to the timeline. Adjust the scenes according to the audio. Also, add background music and sound effects to make it more engaging. When it is done, click on Export Media. As 11 Labs is limited, you can watch my 3 free text-to-speech AI tools video for unlimited free voiceover. In the end, thanks for watching my video.